crop. Okay, we want to crop. See how crop works. Now you click on crop. You want to cut out some aspects of your video, of your clip. You can see it. You adjust down. Okay, now we have cut out that place. We have cropped out that aspect. Then you can also use the existing ones there, the existing templates. You can tap on any of them and use it if it fits what you want. But if not, you just use your hand to adjust it to the size you want. Next is dynamic lens. What's dynamic lens? Okay, you can see we are on dynamic lens now. Let's begin to test it. You can see what it's doing. Okay, you're just adding some kind of effect, okay, to your video. That is what it does. Okay, so you can pick any of them to add a kind of style to your video, to beautify your video. That is what it does. So you can, is an effect, you can just remove it if you don't want it and you continue. So let's go forward and try CutOut. I want us to test this CutOut so that you will see what CutOut does. Okay, CutOut remove the background of the video. It will only leave your image standing. That is what CutOut does. Okay, now when you cut out, you can also change the background of the place you have cut out. Like if you record in an environment you don't like the background, you can use that CutOut. So after clicking on CutOut to cut out the background which you don't like, then you can replace the background. Okay, you just go click on that background again. After you've cut out, I've shown you how to do background. You click on background, then you come back and look for a kind of background that fits that video. So when you see some people their video looking beautiful background, it's not necessary that they recorded on a very nice background. Now you can see, so you just adjust the video, you can see how beautiful the background is now. You may even think I recorded in this place, but no, I did not record in this kind of place. All I did was to remove the background of my video and add another background. All I did was to cut out. Okay, remember we used cut out. So I cut out, and the cutout just removed the background and left only my image. And the next thing I go to background, pick a nice background and use for my video. And now I have a new background on my video. Guys, you can see that looks good, right? So that is what the cutout there does for you. And we are not still through with that segment.